So tonight we're checking out another street food location here in Chiang Mai. I'm going to show you, it's near one of the gates. And yes, let's check it out. Oh, look at that. Pork. But anyway, let's go to this street food location. Give you context, there's one of the gates. And you got your fruit. Waffles and sticky rice. Looks like your sweet roti. That's sort of like bread, pancakes. Sausages. Sweet desserts, I think. Octopus, no? Sort of bread, donuts. Looks like you got a lot on this one's menu. Coconuts. Now, if you're after some tasty street food, this is going to be the place to come. So I'm going to show you guys around now at some of the food here that's located in this street food area. Very popular with tourists, but also very popular with the locals. And of course your things. So, yep, here you got your pad thai. Looks like, and chicken cow soy, which is always nice. Of course, alcohol. Looks like dumplings and potatoes. Of course, your various sausages. It's like seafood mix. Oh, and crabs. Let's keep walking up. Also, if you like your chicken. And as you can see, this is quite a popular street food place. And I can see Anne and Orr, they're walking back, so they're probably looking for me. Table. So here's an example of one of the street food menus here, as you can see. Good little selection. About 80 to 100 baht, or 50, the cheapest. On the other side here, we've got more things on the menu to choose from. Of course, apart from your crispy options, you have these sort of bun options, which are really delicious. You've got like the pandan cream, custard cream, black bean, taro. Yep. These are nice. I love them as a snack. To give you some context, I was just double checking the gate we're next to. This is North Gate that we're actually next to, and this is where the markets are. So this is a great street food place if you're after checking out some street food in Chiang Mai Old Town. So let's continue to have a look around. Now that looks pretty cool. Also all the eggs, the cooking. Continue to look around. Various dishes, and they're not that expensive here, as you can see, as we're looking around there. You've got a few different dishes there, which seem to be quite cheap. Not sure what these are. I guess they're a form of dessert. Looking at all the different items here, they form some of the Thai desserts. Oh yes, we have. Thai desserts. One thing about Thailand is that noodles are always popular. And Anne was wanting noodles, but we ended up not getting them because there was a bit of a lineup. So for the noodles here, so they must be popular. So here you got a bit of a noodle vendor, but there seems to be a few people sort of waiting there for it. As you can sort of see the cooking. But yeah, so this is a really busy street food thing, and it gets more busy during the night. This is just early night, like nearly 6 p.m. These are always tasty. Just going around. So a few more street food vendors, fresh juice, that sort of thing. But, and look, give you context, there's a computer shop. So here you have a variety of things that they actually just grill up and heat up for you after a few different snacks. Of course, you got your fresh juices over there that you can choose from, and spring rolls, sausages, and other sorts of grills. So this is an example of some of the street food. I got a fried rice and a stir-fried seafood, but it had a bit of squid in it, and I'm not really into squid, where Anne got herself more of a soup dish. So that's just a couple of examples of the food that you can order from this place, but it does have a huge variety here. So give this place a go near North Gate in Chiang Mai for the variety of food options here. Just sit and enjoy some traditional Thai street food. Overall, the food options here are really good, actually, for Thai street food. If you're out for trying some Thai treats, then this is one place you want to try out. Anyway, if you like videos like this, hit like, and please subscribe as I continue to show general life in Thailand and, well, life as an expat, I guess. So please subscribe and hit like. And if you've got any suggestions, put them in the comments.